I have a big announcement. Today we are launching the latest sauce at Dining at Home. The Dining at Home is booming for retail butchers. I saw an encouraging promotional sign in one of our extremely successful customers recently. It said, "Dining in is the new going out. Enjoy restaurant quality meals in your home for the fraction of the price." It's true, the Dine In at Home boom is here again. In this latest saucer, our team have developed 12 amazing new recipes using Verstegen World grills and sliceable sauces. Your customers will love them, giving them an unforgettable dining at home experience. I love the Big Truff recipe. It's a twist on one of my favourite fast food restaurant burgers. Try it, you'll be impressed. As you know, we're in a digital world and it's evolving every day. The beauty about the digital world, we can share with you more than ever before useful information to help boost your sales and your business. In this lovely Sauce Up magazine, you will see a QR code. Simply scan this code with your camera phone to open up a whole new world of innovation, inspiration and knowledge. The Masterclass with Sauce It. Or you can also open your digital Masterclass when we send you a special Sauce It email. Here you'll have everything you need to make these tasty dine at home recipes, filled with live demonstrations, full recipe sheets and ingredient declarations. You'll also have access to our new digital media pack to help you expand and succeed in the digital world, filled with our stunning food photography and videos, all freely available for you to use on your social media marketing activity. As they say, social media is your new shop window display.